Want your home to feel smarter, smoother, and way more effortless? These Amazon smart home gadgets automate the little things, boost comfort, and make everyday living feel almost hands-free. From lighting and security to routines that run themselves, they quietly change how you live without extra effort. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Wake up to fun and smiles every morning. This kid's alarm clock features dual alarms, adjustable volume, and 5 ringtones so children can personalize their wake-up routine. A playful emoji face pops up when it rings, making mornings more interactive and cheerful. The warm, adjustable nightlight can be voice-activated, giving kids comfort in the dark. Easy to use with snooze mode and a friendly design. It's a perfect gift for toddlers, students, or any little one learning to manage their own schedule. Make every corner count in your bathroom. This rotating corner shower caddy spins 360 degrees, giving you easy access to soaps, shampoos, and other essentials without reaching or bending. The set comes with 2 hooks for extra hanging space and fits both sharp and rounded corners, perfect for showers, kitchens, or RVs. Made from durable, water-resistant plastic with quick drain holes, it keeps everything dry and tidy. Installation is simple, no drilling required, so you can upgrade your storage in minutes without damaging your walls. Upgrade your bathroom with a simple twist. This non-electric bidet attachment adds a gentle, hygienic rear wash without complicated installation. The nozzle automatically retracts and self-cleans after each use, keeping everything sanitary. Adjustable water pressure lets you find the perfect comfort level, while high-quality valves and steel hoses ensure durability. Easy to attach to any standard toilet, it saves money on toilet paper and adds a touch of everyday luxury to your routine. So if you want a cleaner, more comfortable bathroom experience, scan the QR on screen. Turn food scraps into plant-friendly compost without lifting a finger. The Food Cycler Eco 5 quietly grinds your kitchen waste into nutrient-rich material while keeping odors at bay. Its sleek, award-winning design fits right on your countertop, and the removable 5-liter bucket makes it easy to move around. A carbon filter ensures the process stays odorless, while the powerful Vortex system handles peels, pits, bones, and leftovers in hours. It's a mess-free, eco-friendly way to reduce trash and feed your plants at the same time. Hooks can be fun too. These cute cat and owl hooks wink whenever you hang something, turning organization into a little game. They stick securely with adhesive, no drilling or wall damage needed, and hold up to 5.5 pounds. Perfect for keys, towels, bags, or scarves, they add a playful touch to bedrooms, offices, or bathrooms. Waterproof and easy to move, they keep your space tidy while bringing a smile every time you use them. So if you want organization that's fun, scan the QR on screen. Reaching your back in the shower just got effortless. This electric body brush uses a dual handle design so you can easily clean every hard-to-reach spot. Swap between 3 brush heads to cleanse, exfoliate, or gently massage your skin. 2 speed settings let you choose a soft daily clean or a deeper scrub when you need it. Fully waterproof and rechargeable, it turns your regular shower into a spa-like routine with the push of a button. Keep your screen sparkling without any hassle. This touchscreen mist cleaner combines a gentle spray with a soft microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints, smudges, and dust from TVs, laptops, tablets, phones, and even glasses. It's safe, non-toxic, and leaves no streaks or residue. The kit comes with extra cleaning solution and a small brush for hard-to-reach corners, making it perfect for keyboards and camera lenses too. Compact and travel-friendly, it's a simple way to keep all your devices looking brand new. Fresh air can be automatic too. This smart aromatherapy diffuser sprays fragrance on a timer, keeping your space smelling clean without constant attention. A clear display shows scent level and settings, so you always know what's happening. You can place it on a table or mount it on the wall, making it fit anywhere from bathrooms to offices. With wide-angle spray coverage and long battery life, you get consistent freshness that works quietly in the background all day. So if you want effortless, all-day freshness, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to messy trash days. This smart trash can opens with just a wave, letting you toss garbage without ever touching the lid. Once full, it automatically seals the bag and swaps in a fresh one, keeping your kitchen or bathroom clean and hassle-free. The 6 refill rings give you plenty of bags, so you spend less time shopping and more time enjoying your space. Sleek and hygienic, it's a simple upgrade that keeps odors locked away and hands completely clean. Small weights, big workout possibilities. This adjustable dumbbell set lets you change the weight in seconds, so your routine grows with you. A soft rubber handle gives you a comfortable, non-slip grip, even when your hands get sweaty. You can start light and add more resistance as you build strength, all without cluttering your space. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for home workouts, quick office sessions, or squeezing in exercise anytime you have a few minutes. So if you want a full workout without the clutter, scan the QR on screen. Ice Cubes just got a clever upgrade. This portable ice maker doubles as a bottle, so you can freeze, store, and serve all in one container. The sealed design keeps freezer odors out, giving you clean-tasting ice every time. When you're ready, just press the body and the cubes release without touching them by hand. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and perfect for cooling coffee, cocktails, or any drink you want chilled fast. Dessert night just leveled up in a big way. This countertop frozen treat maker lets you scoop or swirl everything from ice cream to soft serve right at home. One-touch programs handle the hard part, spinning your mix into smooth, creamy textures in minutes. You control the ingredients so you can go low sugar, dairy-free, high protein, or fully indulgent. Add your favorite mix-ins at the end, then pop the parts in the dishwasher and enjoy dessert without the mess. Old school vibes meet modern sound in the most relaxing way. This portable vinyl-style speaker looks like a tiny record player while filling your room with smooth 360-degree audio. You can switch between Bluetooth music, calming white noise, or other playback options depending on your mood. Adjustable lighting modes add a soft glow that's perfect for winding down or setting the tone at a party. Lightweight and easy to carry, it lets you bring cozy sound and atmosphere wherever you go. Silence the world with just one tap. These over-ear wireless headphones wrap you in rich sound, while active noise cancellation blocks out distractions around you. A built-in touchscreen lets you change volume, skip tracks, or handle calls without grabbing your phone. With up to 46 hours of battery life, you can listen all day and still have power left for tomorrow. The advanced Bluetooth connection keeps audio smooth and lag-free, while the soft padded design stays comfortable even on long trips. This hidden smart cabinet lock installs discreetly inside drawers or doors with no drilling required. You unlock it your way using a card, your phone, or even smart home voice control, while it automatically locks again for peace of mind. Built tough to resist pulling and prying, it keeps curious kids out of cabinets, files, or liquor storage. With a battery that lasts up to a year and clear low-power alerts, you set it once and forget it's even there. So if you want secure cabinets without the hassle, scan the QR on screen. Stirring dinner nonstop is officially optional now. This automatic pan stirrer takes over the job while you focus on everything else. Just place it in your pot, press a button, and it moves on its own to keep soups, sauces, and gravies from sticking or burning. 3 speed settings let you match the motion to what you're cooking, with LED lights showing exactly what mode you're on. The heat-resistant legs are safe for non-stick cookware, and since it runs on batteries, you can use it anywhere without cords getting in the way. Cut the clutter and charge everything at once. This 3-in-1 wireless station powers your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch simultaneously without messy cables. Fast charging keeps devices ready quickly, while the foldable, portable design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel. Safety features protect against overcharging and overheating, giving peace of mind. Sleek, compact, and case-friendly, it keeps your devices organized and looking sharp while they juice up. So if you want all your devices charged without the mess, scan the QR on screen. Movie night no longer needs a big screen or a messy setup. This portable projector delivers a sharp cinema-style picture with built-in streaming so you can watch instantly. The adjustable stand lets you aim it at a wall, ceiling, or anywhere you want without fuss. Powerful speakers fill the room with clear sound, so you don't need extra audio gear. With long battery life and a compact design, you can take the big screen experience anywhere you go. Cold hands can ruin any outdoor moment fast. These rechargeable hand warmers snap together magnetically or split apart so you can warm both hands at once. They heat up in seconds and deliver steady warmth you can actually feel. Multiple heat levels let you choose gentle comfort or stronger heat when it's freezing. Small, portable, and reusable, they're perfect for daily winter use or sharing with someone nearby. Fresh food doesn't have to mean bulky kitchen gadgets. This mini vacuum sealer handles sealing, resealing snack bags, and even inflating sports balls in one compact tool. One-touch modes let you seal dry or moist foods without crushing them. Strong suction pulls air out fast to help keep food fresher longer. It's cordless, rechargeable, and small enough to toss in a drawer or take on the go. So if you want fresher food without the clutter, scan the QR on screen. Workouts feel different when the wall starts fighting back. This music boxing machine lights up targets you punch in rhythm with your favorite songs. Each hit is tracked, helping you build speed, coordination, and timing without feeling like a chore. Soft, shock-absorbing padding protects your hands while keeping the rebound snappy. Mounted on the wall, turn on the music and turn stress into an energizing workout at home. Gravity does the heavy lifting with this construction trash chute. It creates a straight, controlled path to send debris down safely instead of hauling it by hand. The reinforced top ring and adjustable straps lock it firmly in place during use. Tough, tear-resistant material handles sharp and heavy waste without breaking. Set it up in minutes and drop debris directly into a bin to keep the site cleaner and safer. So, if you want easier cleanup on site, scan the QR on screen. Your favorite seat just got a serious upgrade. This smart recliner combines plush comfort with a built-in microwave and fridge, so everything you need stays within arm's reach. You can heat up a snack, grab a cold drink, and recline without ever getting up. The adjustable seating lets you find your perfect relaxation position in seconds. It's comfort, convenience, and futuristic living all wrapped into one impressive chair. Your feet work hard all day. This machine gives them a proper thank you. This heated foot massager uses deep kneading and compression to melt away tension from heel to toe. The wraparound design hugs your feet, helping soothe soreness and common foot pain. Heat adds a calming warmth that boosts relaxation and comfort in minutes. Just sit back, choose your setting, and let your feet feel refreshed like you just left a spa. So if you want happy, relaxed feet, scan the QR on screen. Privacy without shutting out the daylight? Yes, that's a thing. This reflective window film lets you see outside while keeping prying eyes away during the day. Sunlight still fills the room, but heat and harsh glare get pushed right back out. It blocks most UV rays, protecting your skin and your furniture from fading. The static cling design means you can install it easily, remove it anytime, and leave no sticky mess behind. So if you want privacy without losing sunlight, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.